guys, we are finally back from SEMA, back at it. We've got another one here in the shop that we're excited to go ahead and get started on. I know we went from Lamborghinis to McLarens last week, but we've got a super cool little Fiat. Wide body flares, air, the works. This thing actually looks really, really good. And we're actually getting ready to get rid of this boring white. We're gonna do the Avery Fun Purple. So it's like a cranberry purple color. Best way to describe it is just to show it to you. So I think it's gonna look really good. You guys tell us what you're gonna think on that. I think it's gonna look really good. And then maybe even do like a black to two-tone all the way at the top. Not really 100% sure. Owner's kind of left it in our hands. We're gonna run back and forth with him and make sure he's gonna be happy with it, but I think it's gonna look sick when it's done. Tell us what you guys think in the comments down below. All right, so we got the Fiat completely torn down. We're getting ready to wrap it in the Avery Fun Purple. I think it's gonna look a whole lot better, especially with the white wheels and the cream that just clashed. Didn't look 100%, but it's gonna look way better now. Got everything torn down. This side's already knifeless taped, laid out. Everything's taped up on the rubber seals, ready so we can trim, get everything tucked real clean. So if you guys forgot what the color looked like already, and it does look kind of goofy with the flares not on it, so it's gonna look a whole lot better. This is what it's gonna look like here with the purple on it. It's gonna look a whole lot better. It's almost like a fuchsia, a cranberry purple. But for you guys who are used to the channel, about to put you on the time lapse, so here we go. All right, guys, so the Fiat is coming along very nicely. The color is looking absolutely amazing. And if any of you guys are Dodge owners, you'll definitely like this add-on piece. Not just kidding. We got taped up just so we can finish trimming the front bumper. It was a joke to all the Charger guys. Don't get butt hurt. Good gosh, something just hit the shop. Rear bumper is coming along very, very nicely. And again, we've got the flares to do. There's one there. We got a couple other ones. This one is wrapped, so it's gonna look really, really good with the hardware rubber on the back side, plus a little washer. That's gonna look really good, and that's one of them there. So we'll actually probably do some time lapse of it installing it as well, just to kind of see how everything's coming together. But the rear bumper and the roof and flares are about the only thing left that has to be wrapped. Spoiler piece on that as well. But we're gonna do the shoot. Apparently, I think we're gonna do this in Charlotte. He still has to get the carbon fiber lip and the carbon fiber side skirts as well. So it'll be gone, long gone by the time we can actually do a video shoot for it, but we're gonna pick that back up in Charlotte.
My boy Plaza.